everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up the October Bombay and Cedar box. So it's a little late this month, so it usually comes towards the end of the month, but it is now the beginning of November, but that's okay. So Bombay and Cedar is one of my all-time favorite lifestyle subscriptions. So not only does it have lifestyle products, it also has aromatherapy and wellness items as well. And I've gotten some really great stuff in this box. I'm super excited to see what's in this one. I honestly have no clue. So there are two different subscription options. There's the premium, which I get, and then the mini box or the regular box. I'm not really sure. I'll show you the names in just a second when we open it. So like I said, I do get the bigger box. I'm gonna link them down below along with the promo code I have. Yeah, let's get started and see what came inside. So when I open the box, this is what I see. It says hello, and then looks like the theme for October is peaceful. So inside here you'll get like a little note from the editors, and then there'll be 2 pages that go over all the items with the pricing. There's a quote here. It says, "You'll never find peace of mind until you listen to your heart." George Michael. And then your peace depends on it. Peace can mean many different things to many different people. What is it that invokes a safe place for you? Does the word peace mean anything to you? If so, what is it? We encourage you to explore the possibility of inner peace by taking the time to see what it is that sparks that feeling of calm in you. We hope this month's box helps you do that, and always enjoy Team Bombay and Cedar. Awesome. And everything is wrapped in some tissue paper. I'm just gonna grab the very first thing I see. It looks like it's a snack. So you get a snack every month, it seems like, and this is from a brand I really like. This is Lesser Evil. I've tried some of their popcorn before. This is their organic popcorn. This is butter flavored coconut oil and Himalayan salt, so it's called Himalayan Gold. This sounds so good. I get like their pink Himalayan bags sometimes. So awesome. So this is the Himalayan Gold Popcorn by Lesser Evil, the 100% guilt-free popcorn made with a blend of organic coconut oil and botanical extracts. This is $2.49, and this is featured in all of the boxes. Ooh, next thing I see is like bath products. This is by California's Almost Famous. Let me get it out of here. This is a 2-in-1 dual action cleansing brush by AF Cleanse It, or Almost Famous. Okay, so that must be what. Unless it means the other AF meaning, but I doubt it. So this is for all skin types. Oh, you can actually feel the bristles through here. They feel really soft. Can you guys see like kind of the texture of them? It's like, looks like beads. So cool. It says get your skin clean AF with the AF Double Duty Cleansing Brush. Awesome. Okay, let's see if it has more information in here. So this comes in all of the boxes. It's $20. It says dual action cleansing brush for all skin types with gentle bristles on one side and silicone pad on the other. The ultimate cleansing tool that will reveal brighter skin. Oh, okay, so I didn't even realize it. You could actually touch those bristles. So that's like the hard end and that's the soft bristle end. That's cool. That makes it unique. And $20, that's not a bad price. Awesome. Looks like we have a bath towel or something. Oh, it's an apron. It says on here, this is by Baker's Apron Table Liner, 100% cotton. So it says kitchen conversions made easy. Oh, so this is an apron that has like all of the conversions on it. So you'll see here, let me stand up. It talks about like how many teaspoons to tablespoons and stuff like that. This is awesome. This is so cute. So this is in the premium box only. So it's a linen or cotton apron by Now Designs. There's several options available. They range from $20 to $25. It says whether you are a chef, artist, or barista, this carefully crafted apron is great to use in the kitchen, studio, and workshop. This is so cute. I love this. I actually don't have any aprons, so it's great. Sorry if my energy seems off or if I'm like sniffly or anything like that. I am under the weather again, or maybe it just never went away. So I don't want to dwell on that too long just in case you've noticed. Oh, I'm really excited about the next thing. This is Healing Aloe Hydro Grow Kit by Modern Sprout. I'm so excited. We've gotten something, I don't know if it was the same brand, but we've gotten like a grow kit before, and it was for mint. So this is a self-watering desert planter, and we get to grow healing aloe. That is so awesome. So in this kit, it contains aloe seeds, soilless growing medium, stainless steel net pot, carbon, cocoa disc, and instructions. I love the color of this too. This is so cool. I'm so excited about this. So this came in the premium box only, and there was 3 different things you could have gotten. So this is one of the belows included. So you could have gotten a mini Buddha board, which is an elegantly packaged 5-inch square portable Buddha board that folds into its own small easel stand. Oh, okay. So it's like you paint on it, I guess. Or you could have gotten a book. I'm really glad I got this. So this is $17. The Terracotta Grow Kit by Modern Sprout. Perfect for budding plant parents. A must-have for city dwellers looking to grow their indoor desert oasis. Available in aloe, desert bonsai, and prickly pear. I'm really excited I got aloe too. I feel like that will really come in handy too. So I am super stoked about this. So far, I think this is my favorite item. And I think that goes well with the theme, like so far, like peace at home. It could be like, you know, taking care of yourself, self-care with your skin, having plants in the home, eating some popcorn, watching Netflix, maybe baking with your apron. Oh, I like this. So there's still a few things left. Next up is by Terry Mary, Dual Action Bamboo Acai Scrub. Look how beautiful this packaging is. I've received one thing by this brand before, and I think it's like their Eyeshadow Primer, so this is interesting. Let's see what this is. So this is in the premium box only, so on top there is like one of those little spoons you can use to get the product out of the jar. I like those, especially when you have long nails. That definitely comes in handy. So here's the actual jar. And it says Luxury Skincare by Terry Mary. Oh my gosh, you could have gotten either this choice of Dual Action Bamboo Acai Scrub, which is what I have here, or the Oat and Rosehip Hydration Balm Mask. So these range in price from $84 to $88. So this is an $84 scrub. Oh my gosh. So how do you use this? Is this just for your face? Let's see. Yeah, it says scrub can be used as the first step in either your morning or night routine. Applied to freshly rinsed, cleansed skin. Using your fingertips, massage a product under your skin in a circular motion. Leave on for 5 minutes for deep pore cleansing benefits. Rinse off and reveal a brighter complexion. Awesome. Okay, cool. I'm totally gonna try this out. It's so bougie. $84 product. Let's see what it looks like. There is a safety seal. Ooh. Cool. So it's like a jelly-like substance. Ooh, and it smells good. I'm really excited to use this. Next up, we have something by Alley-Oop, the tip-off liquid-filled makeup removing swabs. Ooh, cool. It says, get it, we got you. These are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, TSA approved. How to use swab, or snap the swab at blue stripe to release makeup remover onto the opposite end. Flip swab and apply to wipe away every day. To wipe away the day. No more raccoon eyes. So yeah, these look just like Q-tips, but one of the side has makeup remover product in it, which I think is genius. This is like little and like compact too for travel. Awesome. So this comes in the premium box only. It says tip off by Alley-Oop. These liquid-filled cotton swabs tackle your makeup mishaps on the go. Snap the tip to release the liquid, then wipe off smudges and flakes. And it says a value of $8. I think this is such a convenient way to like clean up product too. I used a Q-tip today to kind of like help put some concealer on my liquid lipstick that moved. So yeah, awesome shape and super convenient. Just throw this in your purse for when you need it. Awesome. So in every single box, all members do get 2 essential oils. So the essential oils came in this cute little bag this time, drawstring bag. Has like kind of like a coastal theme to it, like super cute. So there's also 2 little cards that come with it that give you some more information about the essential oils and also what they blend well with, which I think is great. So the 2 we got, well, the first one is Clary Sage. This is 3% jojoba essential oil. So this is what it looks like. And this is $14. It says, considered to have an affinity with women, Clary Sage has demonstrated the ability to relieve anxiety and stress, assist with cases of insomnia, and help with women's menstrual issues and estrogen balance. I am struggling to speak today, aren't I? Let's take a sniff. Even though I'm congested, hopefully I can still smell. Ooh. It smells very good. Very earthy. Let's see what else it says. So it says it blends well with lemon, lime, orange, tangerine, lavender, pine, juniper, geranium, sandalwood, jasmine, and frankincense. Awesome. I'm excited to use this one. And then the next one we have is the Soothing Tangerine. This is $10. It says tangerine oil is a potent antioxidant and reduces signs of inflammation. It has uplifting olfactory quality which helps mild cases of depression when diffused throughout the air. Citrus scents are definitely uplifting. Oh, yeah, this one I could smell right away. I'm like congested at first. It took me a second to smell the sage, but this is definitely like strong of tangerine. Exactly what you would expect. And then it tells you more benefits on here. Some precautions, and also that it blends well with bergamot, cinnamon, clary sage, clove, frankincense, lavender, nutmeg, and neroli. I love how they gave us two that blend well together, so we can use these right away. I love getting oils every month. They have such good oils too, so it's definitely a perk of this subscription. And then last but not least, we have what looks like a jewelry item. This is by Wanderlust & Co. for dreamers and lovers. This looks really pretty. Let me get the plastic off so you can see better. This is the Infusion Gold Toggle Bracelet. Okay, so it's not a necklace, it's a bracelet. Cool. This is in all of the boxes, but it could have been a variety of items. So it says Infusion Jewelry Piece by Wanderlust & Co. Ranges from $49 to $59. The Infusion collection is inspired by the imagination of architectural design and precision. Constructed with stainless steel and coated with 18-karat gold or rhodium, the sleek staple piece will elevate your looks. Can you guys see that? And then that is how it hooks in the back. Looks like you could have gotten this in like gold or a silver color or rhodium. Got it in the gold. So that was everything, and then in the rest of this packet, it talks about the featured brand, Wander and Lust. They actually made the last item I showed you, the bracelet, so that's cool. They talk with Jen Lowe, their founder and managing director. And then they give you a little essential oil recipe blend, which is awesome. It has their mini pocket diffusers from last month right there featured, so that's cool. Those are really awesome, by the way, but it says Peaceful Pocket Aroma Blend. So it says to use 4 drops of their grapefruit essential oil, 3 drops of lime, and 2 drops of their Clary Sage. So these are all essential oils we either got today or in recent boxes, so that is great. And then there's just some more pages here that talk about peacefulness and all of that. So I think this is a great box. So let's do a quick recap. So we received this bracelet. So you got a jewelry item. 2 essential oils that smell really good. I can't wait to use them. We have the facial cleanser, the dual-ended one. So there's a silicone and then like the soft bristle side. Probably what I'm the most excited about, I think I have to say this is my favorite item we received, is the Healing Aloe Hydro Grow Kit. I just think this is so cool. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on how this grows, probably mostly on my Instagram. And I don't have an apron, believe it or not, and I think this is so convenient that it has all of the measurements on it. It feels like good quality too, and it's cute and useful. Awesome. And then we have our bougie face scrub. Can't wait to use that. Smells good too. And some popcorn. Oh, and the makeup remover tips, which I think is super unique, cool thing to try and have with you, like especially when you're traveling around the go. So yeah, I think this is a good box. You guys have to let me know what you think. Again, I'm gonna leave the website down below for Bombay and Cedar along with the promo code to save some money if you are interested in subscribing. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.